Okay, we're doing story problems now. Ready, Aubrey?
Hey guys, I'm gonna ask you some questions.
Okay, let me ask you first and then you can ask me, okay? If Judy buys 3 jars of jam every week, how many jars of jam do you all need in 3 weeks?
Tell me that one again.
Okay? If Judy buys 3 jars of jam a week, how many do you need in 3 weeks total?
9.
Excellent. Okay? If Judy buys 2 loaves of bread every week, how many do you need in 5 weeks total?
10.
Excellent. If Judy buys 4 boxes of macaroni and cheese every week, how many are you all going to need in 4 weeks?
16.
Beautiful. If Judy buys 2 gallons of milk every week, how many gallons of milk are you guys going to need in 6 weeks?
12.
Excellent. You are so brilliant. Okay.